The AUK power tool dust hose is very adaptable. It's 3 meters long, so we've got an internal diameter of 24 millimeters and a very flexible hose. And it comes with a whole variety of fittings that can go onto it. You can use that hose either as a push-on fitting, grips quite well, or as a screw thread on for a very, very secure fitting. So we can use the adapter from small to a large size, and the same this end, internally onto a larger diameter. The two largest sizes are 57 millimeters external diameter and 2 1/4, and 50 millimeter and 2 inches internally. Both of these adapters reduce down to a 38 mm or 1.5 inch external and a 32 mm or 1.25 inch internal diameter. The large adapter is 46 mm external or 1.75 inch and 38 mm or 1.5 inch internally. Also, all of these have some flex, so it just helps you fit onto all of your components, as they do vary slightly. The smallest adapter is 30 mm externally or 1.3 inch and 25 mm or 1 inch internally. And then we can also adapt that and go to other fittings with it as well. So we're going to fit a whole range of power tools and dust extraction equipment. You'll also find the external dimension will fit inside a standard router fence. A lot of workshop vacs will come with their own proprietary ends to them. This fits very little in my workshop. The good news is most shop vacs have a standard size fitting coming out of the extractor themselves. So we take this one out, we'll find our hose, we'll pop straight in. Now we can use it with all the other fittings, whatever size we're looking for. The Festool shop vac is the same standard size, so our fitting is just going to pop straight into it. If you're looking at our products, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Don't forget we do sell to over 220 countries, and check us out on social media.